You want blank? I've got 20.
Cellphone.
Gadgets.
No.
You want piso? No.
Blank alone down, ah?
Street.
What the hell? Legs are blank for jumping.
Required.
Required.
What's a fire and why does it? What's the word?
Burn. Love to explore the shore of above. Complete the lyrics challenge. Song title part of your world.
Paunahan challenge.
So, dili din ako kantahon ha. Sige, first. Look at this stock, isn't it?
Nitch.
Una si Nitch. Okay, next. Look at this blank treasures untold.
Stop.
Huh? Look at this blank treasures untold.
Things.
Stop. Stop.
Gadgets.
No. 5. 3. 4. 3. 2. 1.
Answer is, look at this trove. Treasures untold. Next.
How many wonders can one
Cover
blank
hard.
hold?
Hold. Can one cover and hold?
Cover and sakto ka, Nitch. I've got gadgets and blank a plenty.
Gizmos.
Una si Gail. Next. I've got who's it and what's it.
Galore.
Next. You want blank? I've got 20.
Cellphone.
Gadgets.
No.
Stop.
Cake.
All of the above. What?
You want one?
I've got 20.
1.
You want one?
Paspas ka din siya pag
Me.
5.
You want piso? No.
Answer is
That's right.
Next. But who cares? No blank. I wanna be where the blank.
People are.
O naman si Gail. Pero sakto ta kanich people are, pero sakto
Bawal
naman
ako?
siya. Yeah. Next. Walking around on blank, what do you call them?
Pit!
Street. Sa ganito?
Walking around
Oh,
on
no.
blank.
Very good, Gail. Block your fins, you don't get too far.
Flipping. Legs are required.
Blank alone down, ah. What's that word again? Street. Down, ah. Blank alone down, ah.
Straight.
What's that word again?
Walking around.
Walking. No. Dancing. No.
Jumping. Sa ganito?
Blank alone down, ah.
Street.
What the number? Blank rawan.
Sun.
Answer is trolling.
Ay.
Next. Legs are blank for jumping.
Required.
Required.
Si una.
Coconut.
Next. What would I pay to blank a day? Warm on the sand.
Sa ganito?
What would I
Spend.
pay?
Pila ka, Nitch?
Next. Blank on land. They understand. Blank on land.
Land or
Betcha.
land?
Betcha. Bet they don't blank their duck.
Don't get the four.
Huh?
Don't get the four.
Bet they don't
Reprimand.
Huh?
Reprimand.
Reprimand. Next. What's a fire and why does it? What's the word?
Again.
No.
What's that word again?
No. What's a fire and why does it? What's the word?
Burn. Love to explore the shore of above. So that's it for today's video. Shout out time. Shout out and hello kay James Powers and Kina Jean Abarquez Chikay Miri Kushi Shifo and Nina Florida Dia T. Abriol. Shout out and hello kay Roland James De La Cruz, Ivan Jane Eco, Eileen Raman Ramos, Justin Macalinaw, and
Tibo.
Kayla Ubas.
Shout out and hello. Shout out and hello to shout out and hello kay Cassie Galeros and Consigura, Evelyn and Colleen Dora and Mary Jane Odalo Canonio and Robbie Rose Villarin.
So until next time mga mga, God bless everyone and